Relationships can be challenging. Sometimes we hit rough patches that make us question our connection with our partner. But rekindling that spark is possible with patience, understanding, and a bit of effort. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to help you reconnect with your partner and bring back the magic in your relationship. The journey to rekindle a relationship, my friends, begins with you. Yes, you. Before we point fingers, before we utter a word of blame, we have to look in the mirror. This isn't about beating ourselves up, it's about honesty. What role, if any, have we played in creating this distance? Have we been present? Have we been the partner we want to have? This is a safe space. I want you to be honest with yourselves. Maybe work has taken over your life, maybe you've been distant, or maybe you haven't been communicating your needs. Recognizing our own shortcomings is often the hardest part, but it's the foundation for rebuilding. This isn't about dwelling on the negative, it's about understanding. It's about taking responsibility for our part in the dance of love. And trust me, when you start with yourself, a shift begins to happen. Now let's talk about the cornerstone of any relationship communication. Not just talking, but truly communicating from the heart. Find that space, that sacred space where you can both breathe and just be. Put down the phones, turn off the television, and look into each other's eyes. This is about vulnerability, about expressing your feelings without pointing fingers. Tell your partner what you're feeling, what's been hurting, what you need. And listen, truly listen to their side as well. This isn't a blame game, it's about understanding each other's worlds. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about speaking your truth with kindness and hearing your partner's truth with an open heart. Chapter 3. Rebuilding the foundation of trust. Honey, trust is like a fragile thread, easily broken, not so easily mended. If trust has been compromised in your relationship, know that it's not the end. Healing is possible, but it takes time, it takes commitment, and it takes consistent action. Start by being accountable for your actions. Keep your promises, be there when you say you will, and be reliable. Show your partner through your actions, through your consistency, that you are worthy of their trust again. Remember, rebuilding trust is not about grand gestures, it's about the small, everyday acts of integrity. It's about showing up authentically, consistently, and proving that your word is your bond. Chapter 4. Finding joy in shared passions. Remember what brought you together in the first place? The laughter, the shared dreams, the joy of experiencing life side by side? It's time to rediscover those shared passions, those sparks that ignited your love story. What did you used to love doing together? Was it cooking a meal together, dancing in the living room, or exploring new places? Make time for these activities, even if it means scheduling them in. Life gets busy, but we have to be intentional about nurturing our connection. These shared experiences, these moments of joy and connection, they're like deposits in the bank of love. They remind you of the bond you share, the reasons you fell in love in the first place. Chapter 5. The power of appreciation. You know, sometimes we forget the simplest things, the things that matter most. Like saying thank you, like noticing the little things, like expressing our appreciation for the person we love. Take a moment to appreciate your partner. Tell them how much you appreciate their presence in your life, their love, their support. Acknowledge their efforts, big or small. A simple thank you for being you can go a long way. Remember, love thrives on appreciation. When we feel appreciated, we feel seen, we feel valued, and we feel loved. Rekindling a relationship requires effort and dedication from both partners. By focusing on self-reflection, open communication, rebuilding trust, rediscovering shared interests, and showing appreciation, you can work towards a stronger, more loving relationship. Remember, it's never too late to reignite the spark. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to rekindle your love.